Congratulations to all of you on your graduation day. Remember, with God behind you,
So
and SARS
glad
with you, you can
that
face
I have
whatever's
you.
ahead of you. Mahal
You
ko
love me
kayong
so.
lahat. Mrs.
Now all is
Rivera.
bright. I'll always thank you for the glow and thank you
Result
for
2,
the joy.
Batch 2009-2010. Congratulations to all of us. It has been 4 years in high school. Now, it's time to graduate. We have struggled during high school life. Now, it's time to receive our diplomas. Our graduation day is at the end of our journey. More challenging one. Thank you for happy and bad memories. We enjoy our high school life, especially in this 4th year. But there's some of our classmates that will hate their attitude, and some of our classmates that will love them. They said high school life is the happiest part of being a teenager. Then I agree. This chapter of our life, we feel different things, we face different challenges, and we fall in love. We hope we never forget each other, especially our section. Result 2.
You gave me strength each day. I thank you for the glow and thank you for the
We are
joy.
very thankful to our teachers and advisors who guiding us for 10 months. Thank you so much for being kind to our section. Thanks for the love that you gave to us, especially to the patience, because we all know that Result 2 is so very talkative and full of alcohol. But you gave your full patience to us. Sorry for the bad times that Result 2 did to all of our teachers. Thank you so much for being part of our high school life, especially this 4th year. We miss the time of being pressured, especially in physics. We miss the time that we feel nervous in class or reflex. We miss the time when we are cheated and making nicknames to pass our exam. We miss the time when we fool some of our teachers and some of our classmates. We miss the time when we do some crazy things. Most of all, we miss our crushes, our loved ones, our enemy, our friends, our classmates, our schoolmates, our teachers, our advisors, our principal, especially our school, Pampanga High School, our second home, where we grow our knowledge. Congratulations and happy graduation day!